Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do year on TikTok. So the first step is making sure your app is updated. So go to either the Google Play Store or the App Store, type in TikTok, then click the update button. Once you've done that, go to the TikTok homepage, look to the top left hand corner where you should see a circle that's blue and pink right there. It says year on TikTok. Click on that. But for whatever reason, if you can't see it, you might need to delete your app and re-download it again, because sometimes there's a problem where if you scroll down too much it will disappear. And also, if it's still not appearing for you, you might need to just wait for it to come out in your area. If you've done all these steps, that's probably just the case for you. You will need to wait for it, unfortunately. And you will also need to actually have done videos on TikToks for this to work, because for me on this account I have not, so it won't appear. But if it is, you just have to go through these steps, really self-explanatory once you get to this page. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do the year on TikTok, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the screen for more how-to videos on TikTok. But that's it for now, I'll see you on the next video.